exciting day today at our very own state-of-the-art facility for producing waterproofing products. We are very excited today because we have the whole team at Tikidan at one place here training for a better tomorrow.
Factory visit is almost like a visit to a library where you have so much of knowledge, so much to learn.
Basically, today we had organized such a lovely and wonderful technical session for sales and aspects team. I'm really hopeful, not hopeful, actually I'm very much positive that this particular technical session helped them in getting day-to-day results apart from their personal and professional kind of the development.
Being a technical person, we have been undergoing a lot of research works and development towards the product and towards the customer satisfaction to make the products very user-friendly.
Waterproofing is not just selling a product, it's selling a system. So for that, our team has to be fully equipped technically to train on how our products are applied and how our products are produced and how our products are technically compliant so that our team feels confident in front of the customers. So here we are training for a better tomorrow and building better tomorrow with our customers.
It was total a bliss experience.
Just marvelous.
Proud to be Tikidan.
Very informative.
Experiencing the excellence with the young brigade.
We are Tikidan!